the program. So request everyone to please keep their mic on the mute. Good afternoon everyone. First of all, welcome to the 14th Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puruskar Ceremony 2021. Since 17th April 2021, we are organizing the 7th Higher Education Summit cum 9th Foundation Day ceremony of CEGR. Center for Education Growth and Research is the leading and only education think tank in India created with 4 innovation. We are the only education think tank in India to organize 56 events on a single day in 14 states. This Indian Education Festival benefited more than 12,500 persons on a single day in 14 states. CEGR have more than 10,000 aligned academicians with us, including 50 vice chancellors, 500 plus academic leaders from all over India, and we are the only education think tank to be created with 15 publications. Out of 15 publications, 4 publication is said to be the first time publication in India.
Guide me.
So,
Camera and pitch over the Can anyone hear me?
Ma'am, please keep your mic on the mute.
From your side.
Ma'am, please keep your mic on the mute.
But I was speaking for
Sapan sir, I request Sapan. Please, can we keep them on? Sir, please keep your mic on mute. Anand sir, what sir? Please keep your mic on the mute. Lot of disturbance. Since 17th April, we are organizing the 7th Higher Education Summit and 3-day event. During the 3-day event, we are organizing this 14th Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puruskar ceremony. The objective of the
2018 as a president, and I can assure all the audience that the value we are adding to the higher education development is unmatchable. That's why we are claiming that we are the only education think tank which has credited 4 innovations and so many positive steps towards the development of higher education. I would like to congratulate all the award winners as individual, as a leader of the institution, as a promoter of the institution. The way you have started your contribution towards the development of higher education, especially technical education. So many milestones you have passed and you have achieved the success in the area of higher education. And all of we know that the scope of higher in the area of higher education is ample, because only 26% of the GER we have, and we are planning to achieve much higher GER in coming years. So I request all the contributors to the higher education that they have to apply mission mode for the development of higher education. All of you know and aware about the implications of new education policy 2020, which has been on the forefront, and the implementation mechanism has been developed in Education Ministry under the able leadership of Dr. Nishank, and all the regulatory bodies and the regulators are ready to contribute to the development of higher education. Ravishji always restless about bringing some changes, positive changes, particularly in professional education. Always he is getting support of the educationists and regulators like Professor K.K. Agrawal, Professor A.P. Mittal, and so many educationists and edupreneurs like Kumar Shekhar Bijendraji, who is the current president of CEGR, and the many vice chancellors, more than 50 vice chancellors, I can tell you, that associated with this CEGR, particularly in National Committee of the CEGR. And we are providing this Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar after a brainstorming with a selection process among so many participants, and hope that this Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar will motivate you, encourage you for the further development. And I request all the participants, those who have not received the Puraskar, will certainly get this Puraskar in coming time, when he will continue his contribution towards the higher education. And you get associated with this education think tank, this organization, which is unmatchable, and certainly with the cooperation, with the coordination, you will develop yourself, you will develop your organization where you are associated, and you will contribute to the society, you will contribute to the nation. I'll not take much time because all of you are waiting for the announcement of the award. And once again, I would like to congratulate all the recipients of the Puraskar this year. This year is again the pandemic year, and I suggest that take care of yourself and motivate people to follow the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home to avoid this pandemic worldwide. Thank you. Ravishji, over to you. Ravishji.
Yeah, thank you, Sinha sir. So I think we have the Professor Piyush Ranjan, Pro Vice Chancellor, Jharkhand University, and Regional Director CEGR among with us. Piyush sir.
Yeah, Ravish. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. Yeah, I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir. So look forward to your views for 2-3 minutes. Then we will have the concluding remarks from your side.
Yeah. I welcome all the delegates and the awardees to this 14th Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar Ceremony 2021. Because of this pandemic, we are meeting on this virtual platform, but otherwise, this event is supposed to be much awaited event for a year long, and all academicians wait for this day. CEGR, as a leading think tank associated with more than 10,000 of academicians, leading academicians, corporate people across India, is committed towards the cause of higher education and acting as a change agent towards the quality education in the country. CEGR has taken many initiatives when it comes to the policy making. Time to time, the white papers is been submitted to the AICTE, to the UGC, and all the statutory bodies for the quality educations with a mission to establish India as a leading educational hub. I congratulate CEGR for these initiatives. CEGR, with support of, as Dr. Sinha mentioned, more than 50 vice chancellors and the leading academicians are contributing towards the higher education in India, not only in terms of the policy, but they come up with many research ideas, research behind the bringing the quality initiative through the many publications also time to time, which has been benefited to all of us in the education fraternity. With these words, I conclude and congratulate Ravish and his entire team for this commendable effort. Thank you, Ravish. Over to you.
Thank you, Piyush sir, for always motivating the CEGR and motivating the cause of CEGR. Piyush Ranjan, Professor Piyush Ranjan is the currently Pro Vice Chancellor of Jharkhand University and one of the eminent academician of India. So thank you, sir, for always guiding and mentoring the CEGR. Now, with the permission of you all, we want to start with the 14th Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar Ceremony 2021. And initially, the three-day event, 7th Higher Education Summit 2021 was planned in a grand manner. That 17th and 19th will be in virtual mode, and 18th April, the award ceremony we was planning to have in the Hotel Shangri-La, New Delhi. But due to this pandemic and new guidelines and lockdown in Delhi, we have shifted the award ceremony in virtual format. Now, with the permission of you all, we request you all to start. We are starting with the award ceremony, and the first award is Mr. Ashok Kumar, Managing Director, the Indian Public School, is awarded with Edupreneur of the Year 2021. Mr. Ashok Kumar is Mr. Ashok Kumar is the leading edupreneur and a great school of chain. They have more than 16 schools in South India and very aggressive and very learned man. We congratulate Mr. Ashok Kumar for the edupreneur of the year 2021. Then we have the Mr. Rahul Sinha, Chairman Smart Move Academy, is awarded with Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. He is a great successful edupreneur from Bihar, very rural areas in Bihar, Gopalganj, and he has contributed a lot to the rural areas, and for that he is getting the Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. Another person is Dr. Kamlesh M. Jani, Principal PD Malviya College of Commerce, is awarded with Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. Sir is the eminent academician from the Gujarat and leading the college with many best practices. So congratulations to Kamlesh M. Jani, sir. Then next award is for Mr. Ashok Kumar, Managing Director, the Indian Public School, is awarded with Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. Mr. Ashok Kumar is awarded with 2 awards, one in the Visionary Leader category and one is the Edupreneur category. So congratulations to Mr. Ashok Kumar. Then we have Dr. Alka Agrawal, leading name in the academia, Dean Santosh University, deemed to be university, is awarded with Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. She has contributed a lot in the field of research and publication, and for that she is getting the Visionary Leader of the Year. Congratulations to you, ma'am. Then we have Dr. Sumati Achyutan, Director, Santi Niketan International Group of Schools. She has more than 40 years of experience in the school education, and because she is also principal for a long duration in Kerala. So in the field of school education, she has contributed a lot, and because of her contribution in the field of education, skill and school education, we are contributing her with the recognizing with the Visionary Leader of the Year 2021. Congratulations to Sumati. Then we have the next category is the Principal of the Year, and Dr. Asmita Rao Sahib Deshmukh, Principal, Sri Shivaji Arts and Commerce College, very leading name in the academia, a good credit to research and publication. Congratulations to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Then we have Dr. Renu Khanna, Principal, M.R. Bharti College of Education, is awarded with Best Principal of the Year. She is also leading name in the academia. We congratulate you, Dr. Renu Khanna, ma'am. Then we have one category, special category, that is Best Spiritual Leader of the Year 2021, and goes to Her Holiness Pujya Pandit Salja Devi Parasnath, General Secretary, Ginnar Sadhana Ashram Bhavnath, Taleti Bhavnath, Junagadh. We congratulate her for the contribution to the field of spiritual education, and we congratulate you, ma'am, and you are a guiding name in the field of spiritual education. Then we have next category is Dr. Saurabh Kumar Sharma, Director, School of Business Management and Technology, is awarded with Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puruskar 2021. Congratulations to Dr. Saurabh Kumar Sharma. Then we have Dr. Sunita Dikshit, Principal, Navjeevan Model Senior Secondary Education Secondary School, is awarded with Shiksha Gaurav Puruskar 2021. Congratulations to Sunita, ma'am. Then we have Dr. Subra Mathur, Principal, Jagannath Gupta Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jaipur, is awarded with Shiksha Gaurav Puruskar 2021. She has also contributed a lot in the field of research and publication. We congratulate you, ma'am. Kirti Singh, faculty in Sarda University, is awarded with Best Researcher of the Year 2021. She is a very leading name in the media and journalism field. This college is autonomous, and he is heading the HOD as a HOD in the English department. Then we have Professor Preeti Samyukta, Head Department of Painting, Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Fine Arts University is awarded with Young Faculty 2021. Congratulations to Dr. Preeti Samyukta. Then we have Dr. Naina Sudhakar Sirvate, Head Vidya Vikas Arts, Commerce and Science College is awarded with Young Faculty 2021. Congratulations to Dr. Naina Sudhakar. Then we have the institutional category of award nomination and award, and in the Best Biotech Institute in Uttar Pradesh, we have selected Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad University Course Campus. This college is one of the best college in Uttar Pradesh and to be in the North India. Large number of students is aspiring to join this Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad. Congratulations to IMS Ghaziabad UC Campus for Best Biotech Institute in Uttar Pradesh 2021. Then we have the AKS University is awarded with Best University in Central India for Placement 2021. Congratulations to AKS University. To let you know, AKS University have brought up a software similar to Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and all the students and faculty members of AKS University is getting benefit, and even external persons are getting benefit of that software. So congratulations to AKS University. Then we have the next category as the Best Management College in North India for Innovation 2021, and award goes to Jaipuria School of Business Ghaziabad. Congratulations to Jaipuria School of Business under the leadership of Dr. Jitendra Kumar Mishra. This college have done a lot of innovation. Congratulations for getting the recognition as Best Management College in North India for Innovation 2021. Then another award goes to Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad UC Campus is awarded with Best Management Institute in North India for Placement 2021. To let you know that Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad UC Campus is a very big campus with so many courses, and they are one of the best college. So they have applied in many of the categories, and in 4 categories their nomination was selected by the jury committee, and we have rejected many institutes. But this campus, because of their innovative practices and good research credit, this college is got the Best Management Institute in North India, and number of companies have visited for the placement, and students have got very good placements. So our jury committee has selected Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad UC Campus is awarded with Best Management Institute in North India for Placement 2021. Then again, this Institute of Management Studies Ghaziabad UC Campus is awarded with Best Journalism and Mass Communication Institute in North India 2021. Congratulations to IMS UC Campus. Then we have DN Polytechnic is awarded with Best Polytechnic College in Uttar Pradesh for Industry Enterprise 2021. Congratulations to DN Polytechnic. Then again, Institute of Management Studies UC Campus is awarded with Best BCA Institute in Uttar Pradesh 2021. Congratulations to IMS UC Campus on getting the Best BCA Institute in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have the NL Dalmia High School is awarded with Best School in Maharashtra 2021. Congratulations to NL Dalmia High School. The next is the Indian Public School Bengaluru is awarded with Best Emerging School in Karnataka 2021. Congratulations to Indian Public School Bengaluru. Then Sage International School Bhopal is awarded with Best Next Generation School in Madhya Pradesh 2021. Congratulations to Sage International School Bhopal. Then next category is the Indian Public School Bengaluru is awarded with Best Next Generation School in Karnataka 2021 for their innovative practices, innovative curriculum, and lot of new content to the students. So congratulations to Indian Public School under the leadership of Mr. Ashok. This group is doing a great job in South India. Then Doon Public School is awarded with Best Next Generation School in Haryana 2021. Congratulations to Doon Public School. Then we have the Indian Public School is awarded with Best School Chain of the Year 2021. They have 16 schools in India. So congratulations to Indian Public School. Then this is the Smart Move Academy is awarded with rural area in Bihar 2021. This school have done a lot of work for the society and for the student in rural areas of Bihar, that is in Gopalganj, a very backward district of Bihar, and maximum districts in Bihar are backward, but Gopalganj is also one of the backward districts, and they are really doing a great job. So congratulations to the last award, the Indian Public School Chennai 2021. This school is one of the leading school in Chennai and in Tamil Nadu. So congratulations to the Indian Public School Chennai for getting the recognition of Best School in South India 2021. Congratulations to all the award winners. So congratulations to all the award winners, and congratulations for getting the recognition. We are sending the award trophy and certificate through the courier. Since today we have got the information that from today night there is a lockdown in Delhi for till Monday 6 a.m. So there will be a slight delay in sending the award trophy and certificate. Next week we will dispatch the award trophy and certificate through the courier, and hope you will be receiving it by end of this month or in the first week of next month you will be getting. Because of the COVID, courier services and all the things are getting delayed, so we have the patience, and please communicate with us in case getting by first day, then please communicate us, and
So thank you very much, Honorable Ravi sir, just given us opportunity to say something. And a very good afternoon to one and all. And I want to take a moment to extend my sincere thanks for the award by CEGR presented to me. And receiving this award is a great honor. And this award particularly recognizes my work, and it gives an amazing feeling of getting awarded for the efforts I put in. And thank you so much. And I really feel very proud and happy and delighted to work as a member of CEGR. Just I want to say at this moment. And so I took this opportunity, and this is clearly one of the significant event, I think, in my professional career. And we're really proud to be a member. I will be proud to be a member of CEGR. And when I participated in the 9th foundation ceremony of CEGR, I came to know that the CEGR will be the brand name in the higher education. And so at last, I want to say no words can crystallize my deep feeling of gratitude towards you and our panelists and whichever all the award winners. And at last, I want to end up with my one line that one moment can change a day, one day can change a life, one life can change the world. In the same way, one award by CEGR can change the policy of higher education. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Over to Professor Piyush Ranjan.
Good afternoon, all. This is Raj Kumar from the Indian Public School. I thank CEGR and Mr. Ravish Roshan for honoring us with so many awards. Right from on behalf of Mr. Ashok, I thank the group for giving us Edupreneur and the Visionary Leader of the Year, and also the School Chain Award, and 2 awards to our Bangalore school, which is really encouraging, and also a best school in South India for Chennai school. And we are a group of schools. We are doing a great job, as Mr. Ravish was saying, and we also welcome you all to visit our school when you all come to this part of India. Thank you for being part of CEGR. Good luck to CEGR and its
Thank you, everyone. So we can't give the more time to the awardees. So now I request Professor Piyush Ranjan for the concluding remarks.
Yeah, thank you, Ravish. I congratulate all the award winners. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners. I'm sure your contribution will lead to establish India as one of the leading education destination in the world. Thank you. Thank you to one and all.
And thank you, Professor Piyush Ranjan sir, for the concluding remarks. Now I thanks everyone for joining this event, and special thanks to Professor N.K. Sinha, Vice Chancellor, Himalayan Garhwal University, and past President CEGR for motivating us. And once again, thank you all the award winners. Look forward to your support in future endeavors. Feel free to visit the website www.cegr.in for for all the updates. You will be getting all the information on our website. And if you have any difficulty in getting the award certificate and trophy, then please feel free to contact me. Due to the lockdown, the time is really difficult. Due to this pandemic, the situation is uncertain, and we are hopeful that next week our office will be open and we will able to send this award trophy and certificate through the courier. But in case the lockdown extend, then please bear with us, because all the backups are in the office. We will be able to send once the office will open. And in case if you need digital copy, then please revert me. I will be getting it tomorrow from the office. Then I will be sharing the digital copy of the certificate. You may use that digital certificate for the time being, and once the office will open, we will send the award trophy and certificate through the courier. So thank you once again. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ravish, and you are.
Thank you very much. And please send that means a recorded program of this, so we can share with all our students and teachers. If it
Sure.
I can tell you, Ravish is one of the person who brought the CEGR at this level. His dedication and his effort towards the CEGR is unmatchable. No one can match with this his effort. Thank you, Ravish, for this year's event, and it was really.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I request IT team to end the meeting.
Please take care.
Sapan sir, please end the meeting.